call this? We are playing Brookhaven. For the first time, let's play. I turned off the volume because hell, it was loud. Oh girl, that face is cool. Oh, don't you dare! Bye bye. Oh, you know what? I'm gonna use my magic trick. Boom, magic. Thank you, Tim. I don't take a chance. Oh my god. Me. Okay, I thought the connection was loading because I would smack. Don't be there. But first, guys, please subscribe and hit that notification bell. I almost forget my favorite thing ever. Subscribe, because that's what you do when you are in a YouTube channel, and it's free. I would be mad. Okay. Open the door or I will break your house. Say again. I cannot put another in the bed. Okay. Wow, ladder. Eh! Bring me the top. There's some CCTV. I can see the CCTV. Someone's watching me doing my thing. It's there or it's there. I'm gonna point it out to you here, guys. It's right there. Oh my god. Oh, I can put it. I just can put it in the ground. Where's the vault? I can't even watch TV. Is there a vault here? No. Wait, this is like my house. Defense maps. I won't let you go. Let's do that trend. Me as a kid watching TikTok and then saw that trend, I would do it. Bang, I fall. Sorry. Sorry na be. It's maps pula. Then your old project. Oh, it's your messy hair YouTuber. Oh wait, I'm not a messy hair. Wait, I'm not a girl peep. Sorry. Apare. It's only backflip. We find it. What happened? Look, it's bleeding. Okay, I found that weird. So I think that girl was pregnant. Oh, what happened to my camera? I'm still little, like a baby. Oh, I magically grow up. can't even fake. It's me out with it. Let's go. Uy! Fart. I keep doing the wrong thing. Hey. That boy with a... What the heck was that? Oh my god. My car is dead. I have a horse. Horsey. I can't even ride into the horse. Stop dancing. Why? This is how to make your car jump. See? Wait, where's the taxi? Wait, I know a taxi, but where's the taxi? I want to fly. Me finding the taxi. Oh yeah, I found the taxi. So let's go. Oh, I'm stuck. We have found the taxi. Oh wait, I accidentally clicked the bus. Wow. Sana that kinda works. Bang, magic car. I won't let you. Wow, this is a new house. Sana all. Help me. Oh! Me trying to hide. Yes, I'm hiding. So guys, this video ends here.